Hey everybody, welcome to Quick and Easy Quickies. Do you want to know how to Chroma Key in DaVinci Resolve as quickly as possible? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Let's go! Okay, so here we are in DaVinci Resolve. And you can see I've got a timeline going, but what I'd like to do is pull in my little subscribe overlay video, drop it in, and great, it's where I want it, but you can see there's a background that's blocking out the rest of the image. So what we need to do is key that out. Simple to do. Highlight your video, click on the color tab, and now we are going to choose Alt-S on PC, Option-S on Mac to add in a node. We are going to right-click and do Add Alpha Output. Drag a line from the output of that second node down here. Under our qualifier, make sure you select 3D. And then your color picker, we can actually just drag over the black to make sure we're selecting the color we want to get rid of. And now click on the invert button. You can see that the background is gone from our overlay video. Now, if the edges are a little yucky, you're not too happy with what you see, you've got some controls down here you can use to clean it up a bit. Despill will work in a lot of cases, but if it doesn't, you can jump down to the additional controls underneath. You can see that cleaning the black is actually getting rid of some of that ugliness. And do whatever you need to do, and that's it. Once you go back to your window, you will be able to see that we've got a working subscribe button video overlaid with no background. Now that we've done that, we can actually move our video around, zoom in and out, do whatever we need to do. That's it. I hope that was a useful quick tutorial on how to Chroma Key in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification button so you know when our next video comes out. Thanks, and as usual, we'll see you next time here on Quick and Easy Quickies.